Welcome back to my channel, people. Brown Boss JA Tours. So I want to say a special thank you to all of my subscribers. I cannot do this without you. I appreciate the love and support. And if you haven't subscribed us yet, now is the time to do so. Just hit that subscribe button to get us at 1,000 subscribers. Please and thank you. Alright, so today we're in the city of Montego Bay, to be more specific, Ironshore. And currently we're passing the Witter Village area. Now Witter Village is the ultimate shopping experience here in the western end of the island. It attracts both local and international travelers. Now on to the main topic today, guys. We're going to go into one of the richest community here in Montego Bay, located here in Ironshore. So this area, if you're a normal Montegonian, or if you're just coming into Montego Bay, you will hear persons talking about Ironshore Montego Bay. It's like one of the most expensive areas to live in. And as you can see while driving through this neighborhood, it is really clean. The streets are clear. You will see like massive houses. It looks as if, or seem as if, you're actually in America. So this area is more like for the more affluent persons living here in Montego Bay, and for persons who reside in the US, Canada, and other countries might purchase homes at these locations. So come with me, guys, while I take you on a tour of this area. Just going through the area, you would see that it's very lush with greenery. Very prolific, as you can see here, with different fruit trees in the yards of these residents. So yes, people, roads are really clean. They were recently fixed, but seem as if they could use a little work. Alright, but nonetheless, it's still drivable. Alright, so yes, we can pass, we're actually passing some really stunning houses in this area. So yes, guys, I would actually live at this area. It looks so peaceful and quiet, and you don't see a lot of persons up and down in the street. Only one or two persons passing by, like workmen or yardmen in the area. Yes, people, so what I've heard about this area is that it's mostly occupied by business persons in the parish. Mainly like business owners, executives, persons like that. So you will go by the community or pass by, you'll find that, it's rather peaceful, because they're at work, or they might be overseas, or, they might be on a business trip or something of the sort. Alright, but really welcoming community. So the houses here, they have pretty much everything from jacuzzi, the latest fixtures, and all those amenities that the modern houses would actually contain. So yes, guys, you would see really beautiful houses, and the really good color scheme. It definitely complements the area. So yes, guys, a really good community to be a part of. And if I had the money, I would definitely want to live in an area like this, really secluded, quiet, and really a really good location to be a part, because look at it, you're close by to the beach. You're close by to restaurants, KFC, Pizza Hut, everything that you could want. And if you want to do business, Let's say, for instance, go to the tax office or banks. They're just a few minutes away in the downtown area. So it's not that far from the downtown area, and it's really close to the airport. That's the Sangsters International Airport. So a really decent community. Driving by, you would see that there is still houses here that are still under construction or extension for that matter. But yes, still a growing community. And as you can see, there's even houses on the hillside, and seem as if there could be like empty lots. Just going by, you would see potential for further extension in this area, if possible. All right, so whenever I get rich, yes, this would be the ideal place for me to settle down. Or when I get old and, retire, seems like a peaceful area to be a part. But I always say that, I want to retire and live close to a water, let's say a lake or a river, so I can just sit by and listen the water, the natural water run by. That's a dream of mine. All right, guys. So we are just driving around, taking in the views. At one point, we were just driving and we had to ask for directions because it's been a while since I've been to this area, and when I came here initially, it wasn't this developed. So Montego Bay is an area set for even further development in the future. And I guarantee you that, like 5 to 10 years from now, you would come out here in Montego Bay and not recognize the area. Or some locations would be like transformed. And as it stands right now, there is even work being done to have like a bypass to the Montego Bay Perimeter Road that will be a part of the Highway 2000 project. All right, so a lot of plans here for Montego Bay. New roads to be constructed, new buildings, even the hip strip, the Jimmy Cliff Boulevard is set for a transformation as well. So, and Jimmy Cliff Boulevard is really close to this area. So, if you live in this area, you can just drive and go to that section of the town, the tourism hub. So yes, guys, well-maintained lawn areas, as you can see here, for most of the houses in this area. And pretty much empty lots. So this area, it has potential of expansion. All right, and as you can see, there is building blocks stockpile over towards the right, and steel as well. So houses are being constructed right now, planned, constructed, everything of that nature. So yeah, that's a house that is currently under construction, guys. As you can see, the zinc area or the zinc fence. All right, so this is where we stop for a moment, and ask some gentlemen at the side of the road. Looks like they were workmen, like how to get back on the main road, or what location we should go, what direction we should head into. So we had to reverse and go the opposite direction, so we can head back to Wita Village area. Okay, guys. So yes, we are back on track. Alright, so luckily we saw those persons, or else we would have, be driving around in circles and not know which direction to take. But yes, really thankful, guys. And if anything, we could have used the GPS. But why not, do it the old-fashioned way and ask some persons on the street. Well, yes, guys. Still seeing a lot of houses, really big houses, multi-million-dollar houses. So yes, guys, this is a really rich neighborhood, as you can see, and there's still more because we haven't gone to the full extent. Just a quick preview of it. But yes, just continue driving along here with me. We're heading back now. Okay, and today being a Wednesday, it's a really hot day, really really hot. So you have to drive with AC turned on, and even driving with that, you would feel some form of comfort in the tropics. I tell you, this global warming, even though we are to blame with the various emissions that we use, carbon emission, everything like that, that affects the ozone layer, we are to blame. So, we brought this on ourselves. But it was inevitable, as humans begin to expand their knowledge, we affect the environment even more. But yes, guys, I cannot get enough of the air right now. All right, so we're almost close to the roundabout to get back on the main road. Okay, but just a few moments remain, people. We have some houses still coming up, so continue to stay tuned right now. And remember, subscribe, hit the like button, comment, share. However, you can help this channel to grow even more so I can continue giving you this content. And as you can see, people, there is the sea view from here, really breathtaking. Some of the most of the houses you can see are like three-story houses, so you can definitely see the sea or the sea view from here. And also, as you can see right now, there's an airplane taking off from the Sanchez International Airport. Alright, so we are still driving, still seeing the houses here on either side. Yes, people, so looks like we're close right now to the roundabout, which is a landmark that I marked so I can get back, to the main road. Well, yes, you can definitely see the houses now from this angle, from when we were coming in. And yes, you can definitely still see the sea view from this section as well. Yes, people, so a magnificent community here. And at the bottom section here, it looks like there's still houses being constructed over the left section, but the right section has already been, occupied. All right. Personally, yes, I enjoyed this tour. Um, really opened my eyes and helped me to be, optimistic about future endeavors, so that we can work towards, you know, um, elevating oneself. All right, but you have to start from somewhere because, building a house, it's going up every single day, material going up every single day. So we have to start from now, put in the work, and it will definitely pay off. All right, guys, so thank you for your time. All right, stop by again. I'll definitely have more content to share. So continue to support me in my journey. All right, thank you for your support.